In this video, I'll be talking about 8 of the best high-interest savings apps to make money in Nigeria. And in this digital age, managing your finances has never been easier. And one area where this is particularly true is with savings. And as a Nigerian, there are several high-interest savings apps out there that can help you to grow your money, and I'll be discussing 8 of them with you in this video. Before we get into the content of this video, if you're new to our YouTube channel, welcome to Personal Finance Circle. I'll teach you how to make money, manage money, and invest your money wisely. So if you love content like this, please like this video and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Now, before I go ahead and talk about these 8 high-interest savings apps, what exactly is a high-interest savings app? Now, a high-interest savings app is a digital platform that lets you to save money while earning better interest rate than traditional banks. Now, these apps include features like investment options and automatic savings to help you grow your wealth and reach your financial goals more effectively. So basically, you make money by saving money. I hope you get it. Now, let's talk about the 8 best high-interest savings apps to make money in Nigeria. Now, the first one is Cowrywise, and as you can see on the screen, this is the Cowrywise app. This is the Cowrywise homepage. And in case you don't know the Cowrywise app or what it is used for, the Cowrywise app is an app that allows you to save your money and invest your money. And you can invest in different assets like mutual funds and so on. And you can make money by investing or saving your money on the app. Now, how do you save money and get interest on the Cowrywise app? Now, once you log into your Cowrywise account or once you create an account via the link in the description of this video, come right here to the homepage of the app and click on where you have save at the top of the screen. Now, once you click on save right here, you scroll down to where you have save by myself or save with others. And when you come to this section where you have save by myself, you see where you have different options to save. You can see you have emergency, you have general, you have home, you have study, you have car, and so on. So let's say, for example, you want to save for general. Maybe you want to have general savings. Maybe you don't know what you want to save for. You just want to save. Just click on where you have this general right there. And then the next thing is to enter the amount of money you want to be saving. So let's say, for example, I want to be saving, let's say 100,000 naira every month. I'll just put in 100,000 naira right there. And then you click on done. And then you see where you have every day, week, month. You pick month right there. So if I pick month, it means that I want to be saving 100,000 naira every month. If you go ahead and pick week, it means you want to be saving 100,000 naira every week. And if you pick day, it means you want to be saving 100,000 naira every day. So let's, for example, I go ahead and pick month. That means I want to be saving every month. And then I'll pick the day of the month that works for me. So you can see on the screen, it says, what day of the month works for you? Choose your preferred day to save. So let's, for example, I want to be saving on the 1st of every month. I'll just come right here and pick first right there. And then I'll click on continue at the bottom side of the screen. And then the next thing is to pick the period I want to save for. So you can see you have different options. You can save for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and 1 year. So let's assume I want to save for 1 year. I'll just pick 1 year right there. And then you can see the maturity date is March 12, 2026. So that's the date I'll be able to withdraw my money, and that's the date that will make it 1 year of saving this money. So once you've seen that, just click on continue at the bottom side of the screen. And then right here on the screen is where you'll be able to see the amount of interest you will get on your money. So this means that saving 100,000 naira every month on Cowrywise will give me 14% per annum. So you can see that you are getting interest on your money. If you are putting your money in the bank, you won't be getting even up to 10% interest on your money. But with Cowrywise, you are getting up to 14% on your money. So if you see that you have money that you don't want to touch, just put your money on Cowrywise, save it on Cowrywise, and get as high as 14% on your money. And then on the screen right here, you also be able to see the estimated future amount. So that means that after saving 100,000 naira every month, at the end of 1 year, I'm going to have 1,289,178 naira. So to show you all of these details right here. And if you want to go ahead and start saving, just click on pay 100,000 naira at the bottom side of the screen. So that's the first high interest savings app that you can use to make money in Nigeria. Now, the second one is PiggyVest. Now, in case you don't know PiggyVest is just like Cowrywise. So it allows you to save money and invest your money. And on PiggyVest, you have different forms of savings and you also have different forms of investment. But we are talking about savings in this video. Now, once you log into your PiggyVest account or create a PiggyVest account via the link in the description of this video, the first thing you want to do is to come right here to where you have savings at the bottom side of the screen. So I'll click on savings right there. And right here, you see the different savings plans you have. So you can see you have the SafeLock plan, you have Piggy Bank, you have Target Savings, you have House Money, and we scroll down, you have Flex Naira and you have Flex Dollar. Now for this video, I'll be talking about the SafeLock option and the piggy bank option. Now, if you click on the SafeLock option right here, this is an option that allows you to lock your money and get interest on your money. And then if you look at the top of the screen right there, you'll see that you can earn between 14% to as high as 22% per annum. So this is that you can earn interest of 14% to 22% every year on your money once you lock your money right there. And the exact percentage you get will depend on the amount of money you are locking. Now, let's say, for example, I want to lock a specific amount of money. I'll just click on create a SafeLock right here. And then you see the number of days you can lock your money for and the interest you will get on your money. So if I'm locking my money for 10 to 30 days, I'll be getting 14% per annum. Per annum means for a 1 year. Please take note of that. And then if you're locking your money for 31 to 60 days, you'll be getting 15% per annum. If you're locking your money for 61 to 90 days, you'll be getting 70% per annum. And the highest one is if you're locking your money for above 2 years, that's when you can get 22% per annum. So these are the different options you have for the SafeLock plan on PiggyVest. Now, what about this piggy bank plan right here? So I'll click on it. Now, this option allows you to save money daily, weekly, or monthly. And if you look at the top of the screen, you see that with this option, you can earn as high as 18% per annum on your money. So this is that if you want to be saving daily or weekly or monthly, for this plan, you can earn 80% per annum on your money. So you can say that with PiggyVest, you can earn, let's say, between 14% to as high as 22% on your money when you save on PiggyVest. So that's the second high interest savings app to make money in Nigeria. Now, the third high interest savings app to make money in Nigeria is the Bamboo app. Now, right here on the screen is the Bamboo app. This is the homepage of the app. And once you log into the app, or once you create your account on Bamboo with the link in the description of this video, the first thing you want to do is come right here to where you have invest at the bottom side of the screen. Now, once you come right here, you have two options. You have the USD only and the Naira only. So you can invest in Naira or you can invest in USD. So let's say, for example, you want to do the NGN investment, which is the Naira investment. Just click on Naira only at the top. And then right here, you can see the different investments you have. Now, since I'm talking about savings, you look at where you have this Naira savings, it says you can earn up to 18% per annum. Now, if I click on it right here, it says you can save in Naira and earn up to 18% per annum, powered by NGSCC licensed fund managers. So if I click on proceed right here, it will tell me to enter the goal name. So let's, for example, I'm trying to save let's say I'm trying to save for a car. Just put it right there. Now for this target amount, you put in the amount you want to have at the end of your savings period. So I'll just put in 10 million Naira right there and click on continue. And then right here on the screen, it will show me the percentage I'll be getting on my money for different periods. So that means that if I'm saving my money for 90 days, I'll be getting 14% per annum. And if I'm saving my money for 180 days, I'll be getting 16% per annum. And if I'm saving my money for 365 days, which is 1 year, I'll be getting 18% per annum. So let's say, for example, you want to save for 1 year, you go ahead and pick 365 days and you get 18% on your money. So if it's like you want to save for 6 months, you go ahead and pick 180 days where you get 16% on your money. And if you want to save for 3 months, you go ahead and pick 90 days where you get 14% per annum on your money. So these are the different savings plans on the Bamboo app and the amount of interest you can get. So this is the third high interest savings app to make money in Nigeria. Now, the fourth high interest savings app to make money in Nigeria is Opay. Now, if you have an account on Opay, go ahead and log in. And once you log into your Opay app, this is the home page you'll be seeing. Now, to go to the savings feature, click right here where you have finance at the bottom side of the screen. And then you'll be seeing the different savings plans you have right here. You have the targets plan, you have the save box plan, you have fixed plan, and you have spend and save plan. Now, let's say, for example, you want to do the target plan where you can save daily, weekly, or monthly. You click on it right here. And once you click on it, you see where it says interest yield, 300,000 Naira and below, you get 15% per annum. And for over 300,000 Naira, the first 300,000 Naira is 15% per annum, and the remaining balance is at 6% per annum. So this is the amount of interest you get when you use the target plan on Opay. Now let's go back and check the other plans. Now, if I click on this save box plan right here, where you can save daily, weekly, or monthly also, I'll click on it. And for this plan, it's also the same as the target plan, where you get 15% for 300,000 Naira and below. And then for over 300,000 Naira, the first 300,000 Naira is 15% per annum, and the remaining balance is at 6% per annum. Now let's go back and check this fixed plan. So you click on this fixed plan right here. Now for this fixed plan, you have to lock in a particular amount of money and then you get interest upfront. Now you can see right here where it says interest yield, you can earn up to 18% per annum on balance of 300,000 naira and below, and for balance of over 300,000 naira, you will earn 18% per annum on the first 300,000 naira, and you earn up to 9% per annum on the remaining balance. So this is the amount you can get for saving money on the Opay app. So you can see that it is different from every other app right here. The arrangement of the interest is different from every other app I've talked about earlier. So this is the fourth app you can save your money and get interest on your money in Nigeria. Now let's go to the next one. Now the next app to save money and get interest on your money in Nigeria is the Kuda Bank app. Now once you go to the Kuda Bank app, once you create your account via the link in the description below, you come right here to where you have save at the top of the screen. Just click on save right there, and the next thing you want to do is to click on save now at the bottom side of the screen. Now right here on the screen, it will show you the 4 different plans you can save your money on the Kuda Bank app. Now the first one is as you want. This means you can save whenever you want. Now for this one, you're not getting interest on your money. Now the second one is frequently, where you can save daily, weekly or monthly, and you get up to 8% interest per annum. So this means that for this one, you can save your money daily, weekly or even monthly, and you get 8% interest on your money. Now for the third one, which is spend plus save, for this one you are not getting interest on your money at all. And then for the fourth one, which is fixed deposit, this means that you save a specific amount for a fixed time and you get up to 12% on your money. So you can see that there are only 2 plans right here where they will give you interest on your money, and the first one is frequently and the second one is fixed deposit. And for the one where you are saving frequently, you get 8% per annum, and for the fixed deposit plan, you get 12% per annum. So this is for the Kuda Bank app. So if you are using Kuda Bank app, you can use these features to get interest on your savings. Now let's go to the next one. Now the next high interest savings app to make money is the Carbon app. Now right here on the screen is the Carbon app, and in case you don't have an account on Carbon, check the description of this video to create an account on Carbon. Now once you log into your Carbon account, this is the home page you'll be seeing, and if you want to go to the savings page, come right here to where you have savings at the bottom side of the screen. And then right here is where you can create a savings plan. So you can see where you have create savings plan, just click on it. And right here you see the 3 different savings plans you have. The first one is the cash vault. For this one, you can lock your funds away and earn up to 20%, and the minimum is 50,000 naira. So you can see that this one you can earn as high as 20%, which is very high. Now for the second one, you have goals where you can save a particular amount of money daily, weekly or monthly, and you get 12% interest per annum on your money. And the minimum you can start with is 100 naira. And then for the third one is the flex save, where you can have some spare cash and save it, and you can earn up to 12% for this one too. So you can see for this one, the minimum is 12% and the highest you can earn right here is 20%. So that is for the Carbon app. Now let's check the next one. Now the next one, which is number 7, is the Trove Investment app. Now right here on the screen is the Trove Investment app, and in case you don't have an account on Trove, use the link in the description of this video to create an account. And in case you don't know what the Trove app is all about, it's an app that allows you to invest in Nigerian stocks and US stocks with as low as 1,000 naira or $10. And if you want to learn how to invest in stocks on the Trove app, we have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. But that's by the way. Now, how do you save money and get interest on the Trove Investment app? Now to do that, you come to this end page right here. This is the end page that I'm on right now, and then you click on where you have lock funds at the bottom side of the screen. So I'll click on it, and then the next thing you will see right here is how long would you like to save for. So let's, for example, you want to save for 12 months. You can see that you can lock your funds for 12 months and earn interest of 16% per annum. So for 12 months, it is 16% on the Trove Investment app. And then for 9 months, it is 13%. And then for 6 months, it is 10.5%. And then for 3 months, it is 9%. So you can see that the minimum on the Trove Investment app is 9% per annum, and the highest is 16% per annum. So in case you are using the Trove Investment app to invest, you can also use this feature right here to save money and get interest on your money. Let's go to the next one. Now, the next high interest savings app to save money and get interest on your money is the RiseVest app. Now, right here on the screen is the home page of the RiseVest app. And if you want to go ahead to the savings page, just come here to where you have the plans at the bottom side of the screen. Just click on it. And then you see where it says create an investment plan. Now, if you click on it right there, the next thing is to pick whether you want fixed income, real estate, or stocks. Now, since I'm talking about savings right here, we'll come here and click on fixed income. Now, if you come right here to where you have expected returns, it says 10 to 12% annually. Now, this means that you can get between 10% to 12% annual returns when you save on the RiseVest app. And you can see the risk level right there. They say it is low risk, which means that your money is guaranteed. And it says here your capital guaranteed, your returns guaranteed. So this means that if you are using the RiseVest app for this feature, that means that your capital is guaranteed and your interest or the money you get on it is guaranteed also. So if you want to go ahead and start investing on this app, just click on Start Investing at the bottom side of the screen and start getting interest on your money on the RiseVest app. So these are the 8 best high interest savings apps to save your money and get interest in Nigeria. Now, before I go, I want to answer a question, which is, are high yield savings apps safe? Now, high yield savings apps can be a safe way to save money and grow your money in Nigeria, provided that the apps you use are from reputable companies and they have strong security measures in place to protect your money and your personal information. And it's always recommended to do your due diligence and research the app thoroughly before investing your money. Check for user reviews, company background, and any potential red flags to ensure that the app is legitimate and secure. And in conclusion, these 8 high interest savings apps offer Nigerians a variety of options to manage their finances in a way that suits their individual needs. So whether you're looking for a simple way to save money or a platform to invest your money or an app that combines various financial services, these apps have got you covered. And if you have any questions concerning any of these apps I've talked about or mentioned in this video, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to create an account on any of these apps I've talked about in this video, I have referral links in the description of this video also. And if you want to learn the 6 habits stopping you from saving money, click on the video showing right here. And if you want to learn the 19 rules of money that will make you rich, click on the video showing right here. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.